Guess what? I'm sure we'll be able to time travel in the future. Science is getting better every day.
Time travel? That's a big idea. But it's tricky according to what we know about science.
Come on. You always say no to my ideas. It's frustrating.
Take a breath. I'm not against your thoughts. But you're getting really upset about this. Maybe talking to a doctor could help you with that.
What? You think I'm crazy because I believe in this?
No, not crazy. I just care and think a doctor could help you manage your feelings.
This is silly. I don't need a doctor. I just want you to listen.
I do listen. I'm worried about your anger. A doctor might give you ideas on how to handle it.
Fine, whatever. It bugs me that you're not on my side.
I am on your side. But getting so angry about different ideas isn't good. Talking to a doctor could make things easier.
Maybe I get a bit too intense, but I won't stop thinking about time travel.
You don't have to stop. Just try talking without getting so upset.
Okay, I'll think. But I'm not changing my mind.
That's okay. We can talk about this and other things calmly.
All right. Let's talk about something else. Maybe flying cars?
Sure thing. Let's chat and keep it fun, like we should with every idea.
Hello there. How can I help you today?
Hi, doctor. I've been having some trouble lately. I just can't seem to have a healthy debate with anyone. I always think I'm right, and it frustrates me when someone has a different point of view.
I see. It's not uncommon to have disagreements, but it's important to approach them in a constructive way. Can you tell me more about why you feel the need to always be right? Well, I guess I've always been confident in my opinions, and I like to be knowledgeable about things. When someone challenges my views, it feels like they're saying I'm wrong or stupid. I understand how that might feel. Remember, differing opinions don't necessarily mean you're wrong or that they're attacking you. People have different backgrounds and experiences that shape their perspectives. It's actually a chance for you to learn something new or gain a different insight.
I get that, but when someone disagrees with me, I can't help but try to change their mind. And if I can't, I end up getting angry and frustrated.
It's great that you want to share your perspective, but it's also important to respect others' viewpoints. Instead of trying to change their minds, try asking questions to understand their reasoning better. This can lead to a more productive conversation.
But what if I still can't agree with them? It's like I can't accept that someone might not see things my way.
It's okay not to agree with everyone. Remember, having differing opinions is a part of life. The key is to listen actively and respectfully, even if you don't agree. If you find it hard to accept, it might be helpful to work on your empathy skills. Put yourself in their shoes and try to see things from their perspective.
I'll try, but I'm worried I'll lose my confidence if I don't stand my ground.
Confidence is important, but it's also essential to be open to growth. Being open-minded doesn't mean you're losing confidence. In fact, it shows that you're confident enough to consider other viewpoints. It's a sign of strength, not weakness.
I never really thought about it that way.
It's never too late to change your approach. Start by actively listening when someone shares a different opinion. Ask them why they think that way and try to find common ground. Remember, a healthy debate isn't about winning, it's about learning and understanding.
I'll give it a shot. But what if I still find myself getting angry?
If you feel anger rising, take a deep breath and remind yourself that disagreements are natural. It's okay to step away from the conversation if you need a moment to cool off. Practicing mindfulness techniques, like deep breathing or counting to 10, can also help manage your emotions.
Thanks, Doctor. I'll work on changing my approach and trying to be more open-minded. I appreciate your advice.
You're welcome. Remember, personal growth takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself, and over time, you'll find that engaging in healthy debates becomes a much smoother process. If you find it challenging, don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, or even a counselor.
I will. Thanks for understanding and helping me with this.
Anytime. Feel free to come back if you have more questions or need further guidance. Take care and best of luck on your journey towards better conversations.
Thank you, Doctor. I will. Goodbye for now.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.